Hello urban explorers. Today we are on King's Heath High Street taking a look at the remains of the Kingsway Cinema, which first opened its doors to moviegoers back in 1925. After closing as a cinema in 1980, the building saw new life, but sadly now only a shell of the original facade still stands. Built during the silent movie era, this picture house was designed by renowned Birmingham architect Horace G. Bradley in an imposing style. Generations of locals enjoyed films here before its conversion to an Isolde bingo club which operated until 2007. Tragically, after sitting vacant, the Kingsway was badly damaged in a 2011 fire, requiring most of the building to be demolished except the frontage. Temporary uses like markets and pop-up cinemas have activated the space since. Today in 2024, plans continue circulating to rebuild a cinema behind the retained 1920s facade, but no progress as of yet. A major piece of King's Heath's identity remains in limbo. Let us know in the comments your memories of seeing films at the Kingsway during its decades as a thriving neighbourhood cinema. That concludes our look at the remains of the Kingsway Cinema, which survives only in fragments after the 2011 fire. This once vibrant entertainment hub still awaits its revived destiny over 90 years since first opening. If you want to see more videos exploring Birmingham's lost and vanishing heritage spots, make sure to subscribe to Joyful Adventure Audits. We are constantly delving into the city's history to highlight defunct venues at risk of being forgotten. Our YouTube channel features full series on shuttered Birmingham cinemas and pubs that shaped local communities over the decades before facing closure or demolition. We map out the changing face of neighbourhoods through the rise and fall of their landmark buildings. Each new subscription allows us to continue documenting this cultural history. So if you enjoy discovering what relics remain from the Kingsway's legacy or want us to cover more lost entertainment hotspots next, please subscribe. And make sure to share any memories or photos you have from the cinema's bustling days in the comments. Thank you for watching. Now let's continue chronicling Birmingham's disappearing stories.